Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change the name of a house in the Clubhouse app. If you have created a house and want to update its name, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily so you can make your house more personalized and recognizable. First, open the Clubhouse app on your device. Once you are inside, look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Then, find the house that you created and tap on it to open it. Once the house is open, click on the three-dot menu icon at the top. After that, scroll down through the menu options until you see the name of your house. Next, tap on the house name option. You will see the current name of your house displayed. Remove the old name by clearing the text field, and then type in the new name that you want for your house. Make sure the new name is something unique and easy to recognize. Finally, after entering the new name, click on the Save button to confirm the changes. Your house name will now be updated and visible to everyone who visits or joins your house. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.